This is how I'm preparing my wallet ngayong Pasko so I don't end up broke by January 2026. Kasi let's be honest, Christmas is fun until January hits and you're like, saan na naman napunta yung pera ko? Bakit ang dami ko na namang utang? That was actually me last year. Ganun na ganun yung eksena ko. So this year, I am doing it differently, the frugal way. Step number 1, I am setting a total holiday budget, including food, gatherings, and even last-minute gastos. Kasi minsan, hindi naman sa big purchases na uubos yung pera natin, kundi dun sa maliliit na gastos. Yung maya-mayang pagpunta sa mall, sa grocery, pagbili ng mga maliliit na bagay. So this year, I am setting a total holiday budget, tapos meron siyang categories, including these ones. Kapag ubos na yung budget dun sa category na yon, then wala na. No swiping, no loans, para walang utang by next year. Number 2, I am simplifying my gifts kasi I want to spend with purpose, not with pressure. So gone are the days na nagpapa-pressure ako sa kung ano yung binibigay ng iba or sa kung ano yung naibigay ko last year. Ngayon, gagastos ako sa kung ano yung nasa budget cap ko or kung ano talaga yung within my means. That way, next year, hindi ako mamumroblema kung saan ko kukunin yung pambayad sa mga credit card bills or sa loans ko. Lastly, I'm still tracking everything. Last year kasi hindi ko to ginawa, hinayaan ko lang yung mga gastusin ko to the point na ayaw ko siya tingnan kasi medyo madami nga sila. So sabi ko, hayaan mo na as long as happy yung family, masaya yung Pasko. I thought okay lang, pero come January, medyo may regrets. Medyo naging derailed yung start ng 2025 ko. So I don't want that to happen again next year because I know that the best gift I can give myself this year is not being broke next year. That's it for today. Ciao!